Okay, so let's get some practice in these basic chords down. Get back on track with incremental lessons. So we're going to do the 1, 4, 5, 1 progressions using most of the open string chords. Do a couple exercises with those and get you going and practicing those. So we're going to start in C, and remember that C is the 1 chord in the key of C. F is the 4 chord and G is the 5, and then back to C. And we'll do like a long short pattern. Remember, they're all major chords, and so let's go ahead and give this a go. Ready? Just in C here to start. 1, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up to the 5 chord, which is G, back to C. C, change to F, change to G, which is 5, back to C. One more time. C, up to F, up to G, back to C. Let's do it one more time. To F, then to G, and to C. So that's a long, short kind of strum pattern, a real basic one. On you accent 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Let's go ahead and go to D now. So we're going to have the D chord, which is the 1 chord in D. We'll have the G chord, which is the 4 chord, and we're going to go to A, which is the 5 chord. Same tempo, as you can hear. Okay, so here we go, long, short. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. G to 4, A to 5, back to D. D, up to G, to A, here we go, D, up to G, to D. One more time. D, G, whichever one you want to use, and down to D. So there's 1, 4, 5 in D. Let's do one more key. Let's go ahead and do it in G. So G is 1, C is 4, D is 5, and back to G. And you can use any form of G that you're comfortable with or where you're at. You can, a lot of guys play it this way. Showed you the extra notes you can add, or some folks like to play it like that, right? Or if you want, you could play it with the bar chord too. But let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. G is 1, C is 4, D is 5, G is 1. G is 1, C is 4, D is 5, G is 1. G, C, D, G, G, C, D, and end it with G. There you have it. So a couple basic little things if you're learning these open string chords to go ahead and practice along with. And you know, you can learn a lot of tunes with those basic chords. So practice changing them, play along with the short little lessons, and you know, practice. So listen, this is Keith. Until next time, we'll add some more chords and some more scales coming up. So thanks for watching. By the way, hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Hey, welcome to my guitar channel. If you're looking to master fundamentals of scales, chords, and a bit of music theory, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping you build a strong foundation step by step so that you can go out on the internet and learn all those fancy licks that everybody can show you. Incremental improvement starts with consistency. So you want to try to practice a little bit every day. Even 10 minutes can make a huge difference. And don't forget to come back often for new lessons and tips. If you want a more personalized guidance, I offer online lessons for $25 for half an hour. A few lessons can get you pointed in the right direction and boost your progress, especially if you're just starting out learning some chords and some scales and some things of that nature. Just reach out to me through the contact info in the description. Okay, let's get to the next lesson. Practice hard.